Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to guide you through how to withdraw Chelee app to Binance. I'm going to give a step-by-step guide. We're going to track the first method, that is the transfer leave from Chelee internal wallet to external wallet. Now how do we do this? Open the Chelee app and go to the market section, tap the wallet button, tap the external button, then you will be guided to either create a new wallet or import a wallet if you already have one. Follow the instructions, stop or import your external wallet. Ensure your security store your seed phrase. Once you're done with that, go to your internal wallet in Chelee, select the Lee token, tap the transfer button, enter the amount of Lee you want to transfer, be aware of the transfer fee in Lee which depends on your class's rarity, confirm the transfer. The second method is to withdraw Lee tokens to a supported exchange like MEXC or PancakeSwap. So how do you do this? Open your external wallet within the Chelee app, select the Lee token, tap the transfer button, choose the withdraw option. Crucially, you can only directly withdraw Lee tokens to either PancakeSwap or MEXC. So go to MEXC or PancakeSwap account, find deposit address for Lee tokens. Ensure you select the Binance Smart Chain network, which is BIP20, when getting deposit address. Next, enter the BIP20 deposit address for Lee from your chosen exchange into the Chelee's external wallet withdrawal address field. Enter the amount of Lee you want to withdraw and confirm your withdrawal. The last method is converting Lee to USDT or any major cryptocurrency on MEXC or PancakeSwap. Once your Lee tokens arrive in your MEXC or PancakeSwap account, you need to trade them for a more widely used cryptocurrency like USDT. So navigate to the trading section of the exchange, find the Lee or USDT trading pair or the pair you wish to trade. Execute a trade to sell your Lee for USDT. Transfer USDT to your Binance account. Now that you have USDT on MEXC or PancakeSwap, you can now turn it to your Binance account. Go to your Binance account, find the deposit section for USDT. Make sure you select the correct network for the USDT deposit on Binance. That is BIP20. It's a likely option since Lee is on this network, but double check the available networks on both platforms to ensure compatibility and minimize fees and risk. Copy the USDT deposit address from your Binance account, go to MEXC or PancakeSwap account and navigate to withdrawal section for USDT. Paste the USDT deposit address from Binance into the recipient's address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal. It's as simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.